is Noah again, and this time we will be telling you how to build the rounded part of this. And fill in this part. We will need a 1x16 flat. Place it right next to the window like that. You take two 1x4s, stick one right here, and stick one right here. 3 1x4s, stick two right here, like that, and stick another one like that. Hey, this is Noah. In our last video, we were making this part. Now we're going to take two of these 1x3 plates, fill it in right here, and then you're going to take a 1x4 flat. You're going to place it in the middle like that, and we're going to take a 1x2 plate flat. We're going to stick it between the lights like that. And then, now we're, now we are going to be making, this is it, but it's only a really short video, because I just had to finish this in. I have to get some more pieces for this side. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be seeing you next time for another fantastic video.